Hello everyone, I hope that you guys are doing well. So in today's video we will be checking out new things that has been added in today's update, such as the new training room, new simulation gate, practice room, etc. Okay, so now let's start. As you can see, this update, as you know, with this update many things have been added. For example, first you can now go up to level 120. Okay, there's that. Also the new story mode has been added, the hidden story. If you go up to here, you can see this two has been added. So by by playing those, you will be eligible for the latest job since that has been the Monarch of Shadow Liberator. If you don't know how to unlock it or what are the conditions are, they are right here. But I have also uploaded a video which will show you guys how to how you can fight the shadows. Okay, so how generally how that unlocks. Okay, but if you come down here, you can see the new strategy training has been added. So this is a new thing. If you click on tutorial, and this is also the skill research, so this is the old one. So yeah, so this is the shadow enforcer that was in beta since the last update, so that has also been improved, so I will talk about that also. And so this is the training room tutorial. So you can alter the battle settings in the training room to practice different combat scenarios. Okay, so it's plain and simple. And order the architect test has been added in the last update, so there's that. So if you click here and go to the strategy training, so you can see there's like a hunter preview. So if you click here, so it will be like the usual the trial of the hunters that you want to do. Is the Songil Hoan, so he was added today. But similarly, you can try for all these SSR hunters which were available previously. Okay, so you can go back and once again go to strategy training and then click on training room. So you can auto add, let's auto add it for now. So this is the hunters mode and then the Sunjingus mode. Okay, you can select any of those and then click on enter. So yeah, I think press or you can click on settings. So enemy settings, so what do you want? Apply enemy breakers, apply an elemental weakness, you can set it, and according to year 1 the timer is off and auto setting all this is on. Okay, so this shows the stats, so that this will by tapping here the enemy will automatically. And then I guess so this is the redo button, so yeah. So here you can practice combos, or you can see how much damage your character can deal, or the hunter or the shadows, all of them are available right here for you to try. Okay, so similarly, so this was for the Sunjingus. Okay, so let's now check for the hunter. You can see the training room, it also shows support skills of the hunter that you have brought in with you. Okay, so it's quite plain and simple. You can practice combos, ultimate attack. You can change the settings of the enemy according to the elemental weakness. You can set the timer if you want. So let's exit for now and then let's check on the hunters section. Okay, I think it's mostly the same, but also there's no harm in looking. Click on hunter, let's click on auto form. So these are the hunters right here. These are the usual settings that we get in any mode of the solo leveling Arise. So okay, so since it's in auto, so for the hunters you can see it will teach us how to use combo. Okay, if you failed, you can retry again. Okay, so in the settings, yeah, it's similar to what was in the Sun's English, but in this case, the hunters, the basic skill. So there's like a skill guide of how to use certain, okay, how to use certain hunters and their skill for like it happens for each of the hunters. So yeah, so this is a great way to test your combos, the new skills, the skill order, etc., and how much damage it deals, and so on. Okay, so let's stop that for now, but if you want we can like come here anytime. So this is like a recommended skill use order. So this is what we have been like the computer will train us for. Okay, so let's exit it for now and let's check on the sorry, other modes. So okay, so let's go back, and if we come up to the game modes and onto the simulation gate, so this should be a practice. So I don't think it's here. So let's enter this for now. So okay, so yeah, so there it is. So there it is. So the normal mode is what you guys have been previously been doing. So if we come up to the test mode, so you can see there's like no tickets used, and we can then practice whichever tier you are in. Okay, in this case I'm in tier 26, so I can go inside and then I can look how that works. Okay, so for now I will go into tier 5, and so it's similar to this previous one, but in this case the no tickets are being used, so I don't think rewards will also be obtained, only for our practice sake. Okay, so you can see the simulation test do not give progress rewards. So okay, so if you want to try you can try, but for now it's enough, so I will leave it here. Okay, so and not only that, since the level there has been a level expansion, you can like go up to the level 118 in the activity funds. You can get bonus according to your hunter levels as well. Okay, so make sure you guys go increase your level so that you can unlock the other items. Okay, so not only that, so finally this like you can see UI it changed in the battle tier. So currently I'm in battle tier 62, and the next one is battle tier level 63, which is 2.1.3 million. Okay, so I need to have this total power to go to tier 63, and rewards are as shown right here. It looks like we can go up to tier 90. So to level up, you can see the Sunjing Woos, even the shadows of total power matter, even the armory, as well as the remnant power. This Baron, in this case I have selected Baron instead of Yogomon because I was lazy to do any of the workshop applied. But yeah, Sunjingwoo's total power and the top 3 hunters that you have in your library or in your arsenal, as well as the total shadow of power, army of shadows total power, and then the armory total powers. If you increase the armory level, the total power increases, which will help you to go move up in the battle tier. Okay, as well as for same goes for remnant power, as well as for the army of shadows, and then the other hunters, as well as for Sunjingwoo. Okay, you can see the weapon. I can still improve the weapons so that I can like increase my total power, which will help here, and I can also increase my core, it looks like. Yeah, so yeah, this is all the things that has been added today that you can do. Click so yeah, so there's that, and not only that, the song Il1 has also been added in today's update. If you want you can try. Okay, and then if there is anything, click on the event. So okay, so there's like a weapon wheel going on, so let me claim. So the 30 tickets, skip all the cutscenes, don't show. So okay, so it will give us the the craftable items for the weapon. to for the weapon for either Songil 1, Isla Ride, and then Charlotte. Yeah. Similarly, if you complete 50 spins, you will be getting this selection chest. From here also you can select the weapon for any one of the 3 hunters that I've just mentioned. Not only that, you will be also be getting 10 rate of draw tickets if you do complete it up to 50 spins. Okay, so that's that. So this like a weapon crafting skin event that was also added today. So you can craft this, but the materials, select of the one, so you can either use essence stone or the one of the following material. Okay, so this can be obtained by clearing the full moon collection event. Yeah, going by the full moon. So if you have like enough material, you can craft this crimson heroic. So demon, so this is the demon king's longsword, but you can craft it here. Okay, so collect. So yeah, so the full moon event that would unlock this material, so we can do this. So I think all of them are obtained, yeah, by playing gate, by playing instance dungeon, encore missions, or by playing battlefield of chaos. You can obtain the these coins, and then you can exchange for the item shown right here. Okay, so there's also like the daily missions. If you complete up to day I believe 5, yeah, if you complete the whole missions up to 5 days, you will be able to get this. And then for 40, similarly day 8, day 12, and so on. Okay, and there's also like the growth tournament of Songil 1. This is like similar to the all the other hunters that releases every update. By reaching the 1500 points, you will be able to get the selection chest, weapon selection chest. And this is the new costume of the Songil 1 that was released today. And then the wall drop, so you can see the event items have a chance to drop in several game modes. Okay, so gates, encore missions, instance dungeon, and the battlefield of chaos, etc. Okay, so from there you can obtain the following coins, and then we can exchange to craft a weapon skin. Okay, so yeah guys, so that was a quick video on the newest thing that has been added today, such as the training room, the simulation room practice, the new battle tier UI, and then the max level expansion, the new story mode, the new character, the new shadows. Okay, so yeah, new shadows has also been added. If you go up to the army, the new shadow Zima was added today, so you can unlock him as well to battle you know, level up your army of shadows. Okay, so yeah guys, so that was it for today's video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please leave a like, share, and also subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.